What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Chromebooks in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We'll kick things off today with the Asus Chromebook Flip CM3. The best budget option on the market in 2022. This model comes with a MediaTek MT8183 CPU, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of eMMC storage, and a 12-inch IPS screen. There are certainly some trade-offs here to achieve that lowest price, but the company made just the right compromises to deliver a top-notch budget student laptop. The Asus Chromebook Flip CM3 is a hybrid of a silver aluminum alloy lid and a matching plastic case. The build quality is equally good. The lid only bends slightly under pressure, and the keyboard bends slightly under strong pressure. Here too, the device exceeds its weight class and offers surprisingly robust build quality. This is a small laptop with a small housing but larger frames, a thin and light model that is easy to carry. The connection is limited to one USB-C port, USB-A port, 3.5mm audio port, and micro SD card reader. Wireless connectivity includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. Although this predecessor is optimized for Chrome OS, it provides slightly lower performance, but considering the price, it's quite acceptable. The device supports an optional active pen, which is another advantage. The MediaTek processor, although somewhat slower, is also efficient. Also included in the mix is a 32-watt battery that can deliver up to 12.5 hours of web browser use, which is a good result. All in all, impressive battery life for such a small device. In conclusion, the Asus Chromebook Flip CM3 is an affordable Chromebook 2-in-1 model that exceeds expectations based on the low price. It may be a little slower than you'd like, but it has a great battery life and a solid, comfortable chassis, and the touchpad and active pen are great. For the listed price, color us impressed. Up next, the title of the best value Chromebook on the 2022 market deservedly went to Lenovo Flex 5 Chromebook. The device offers a pretty good deal. You get the 10th generation Intel processor, a solid and attractive chassis, a touchscreen with pen support, a comfortable backlit keyboard, and a satisfying choice of ports. While there's no extra special feature you can brag about, there's not much to complain about either. The Flex 5 has a much better chassis than many other Chromebooks you'll see in this price range. In addition to a solid construction, the device has a reasonable choice of ports, including 2 USB 3.1 Type-C Gen 1, 1 USB 3.1 Type-A Gen 1, combined audio port, micro SD reader, and Kensington lock. As bonus points, there's a USB-C port on each side for convenient charging. You can use this model in laptop, tent, stand, or tablet mode. In our opinion, the keyboard is the highlight of the device. The keys have a backlight and look elegant on a black cover. It's comfortable with a stroke of 1.4mm without being too loud. The touchpad is also easy and quite precise to click, although it's textured on the rough side. The 1920 by 1080 screen is sharp and vivid. It also has pen support, although the pen's not included. The 720p webcam is surprisingly usable. It provides a grainy but precise image, even in low-light environments. You won't notice any visible slowdowns, even when using multiple apps like Adobe Lightroom and Google Photos, in addition to countless Chrome cards and Android apps. Battery life is a bit disappointing for some users, lasting 8 hours and 45 minutes, but it's not bad at all, far from it. All in all, the combination of a 13-inch Full HD screen, a 10th generation Core i3 processor, and 4 GB of RAM is quite enough to handle the basic productivity workloads. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. If you're looking for a top quality product, look no further than the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2, the best premium Chromebook on the market in 2022. This model offers the main features of its predecessor at a more affordable price and with the addition of a QLED screen. With the exceptionally lightweight design, a 13.3-inch touchscreen that can reproduce more than 1 billion colors, and smart amp sound that offers 178% higher performance than amplifiers, the new Galaxy Chromebook 2 is the ideal device. The Galaxy Chromebook 2 contains secure software, an Intel processor, and incredibly fast Wi-Fi 6 capabilities that allow you to perform multiple tasks in a flash. The keyboard with wider letters and backlight optimizes text and document management tasks. With the addition of the Universal Stylus Initiative pen, this Chromebook becomes a real canvas where you can capture your sketches, ideas, and artwork at any time. For its part, Google's Chrome operating system makes it easier to perform tasks and access related cloud services like Google Drive, Meet, and more. It also integrates Google Assistant. The Galaxy Chromebook 2 can connect to other Samsung devices, such as your smartphone, so you can handle calls or send messages. As for the brightness, the test confirmed that the average brightness is 390 nits. That's better than the 357 threads we've seen from this model's predecessor and an improvement over the competition. The 13.3-inch touchscreen is proven to be efficient and can be conveniently used to browse the internet and manipulate various Chrome applications without any hassle. Weighing about 2.7 pounds with a machined aluminum chassis that measures 12 by 8 by 0.6 inches, the Galaxy Chromebook 2 is only slightly heavier and taller than many competing Chromebooks, as well as its predecessor. However, you'll never notice it unless you hold them together. And the Galaxy Chromebook 2 is light enough that you'll probably forget about it when you put it in your backpack. The poor battery life was the biggest complaint with the original Galaxy Chromebook, and Samsung took that criticism to heart, delivering an impressive 13 hours of operation without charging. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Up next, Google Pixelbook won the silver medal for today, and the title of runner-up best Chromebook available on the market in 2022. Portable, easy to use, good-looking, fast, rocking a battery that lasts all day, this model delivers the goods. The device features a set of 2 USB-C ports, one on each side, plus a 3.5mm input for your wired headphones. You also get 2 screen options for Pixelbook Go. The most expensive model comes with a 4K 13.3-inch panel, while the other 3 models have a full HD panel. The screen is more than good enough for all types of use. The colors are quite vivid, and the whites are clean, while the contrast is also strong. On the side of the keyboard are the speakers, which are actually pretty good. You get a lot of volume, really efficient stereo separation, and a lot of bass and mid-range to fill the sound nicely. There's nothing modest or quiet about it. The device sports the 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor, which is more than powerful enough for all everyday tasks. It is comfortably capable of driving another monitor without noticeable speed difficulties. It also comes with 8GB of RAM, and thanks to Chrome OS, the Chromebook operating system, a relatively light software and interface, Pixelbook Go still works fast and reacts quickly. Battery life is also impeccable. Google promises up to 12 hours of battery usage before it runs out, and delivers the goods according to all tests. When the battery runs out, the included 45-volt charger with power delivery will charge it in just over 2 hours. If you want, the device offers support for Google Assistant, which means you can use it for anything you could use GA on your phone, or even a Google Home product. Whether it's checking time, calendar events, or checking smart devices, it's all possible here. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we present you the Acer Chromebook Spin 713, the best overall Chromebook on the market in 2022. This model looks good. From the wide responsive trackpad, through the brushed aluminum finish, to a pretty impressive screen, everything is sleek and elegant. Acer presents this model as a business laptop, but it's suitable for anyone who wants to get serious about their Chromebooking and needs a really good laptop for it. In addition to being eye-pleasing, the laptop also passes the military-grade endurance test, so bumps and scratches shouldn't be a problem for the Spin 713. Then, of course, you can fold the screen, pick it up to watch some videos if necessary, or to make a video call. The screen is also touch-enabled, so you can use the device as a kind of makeshift tablet. The 13.5-inch LCD screen offers a resolution of 2265 by 1504 pixels. It's sharp and lively, and stands out in everything from writing essays to sitting and watching movies. Ports and connections are well taken care of, with a full-size HDMI port included, something you don't always get on a Chromebook or any laptop at this price. There are also 2 USB-C ports, plus a USB-A port and a 3.5mm audio jack, to which you can connect a microphone or a pair of headphones. You can also get a microSD card slot if you need one. The onboard processor is paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of internal memory. You should only need the latter if you have a lot of Android apps to install and want to sync offline. In our opinion, 8GB of memory and a 128GB SSD is quite enough for most people. Chromebook battery life is also mostly impressive. Streaming video in full light reduces battery levels by about 10% per hour. While in general use, you can spend all day out of the socket, from morning to night, without staying without juice. In conclusion, the Acer Chromebook Spin 713 is top-notch, powerful enough to run Chrome OS, and has some very useful extras built in. And the price makes this laptop even more attractive. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.